to finally be here with you. I have been waiting for this show since the second I got off stage in 2018, so thank you for being here. How you doing tonight? You okay? You sound so fucking good, by the way. Now, it's a special occasion, right? We're in Brazil. So I wanted to sing a song that means a lot to me, and a song that probably wouldn't exist without this person. It's a pretty direct channel of inspiration between me and this wonderful artist. Please give the warmest welcome to Phoebe Bridges. I turned 26. And I wrote this song when I was 15. Which means that you've been dancing to it for almost 10 years. Should we dance for our 15-year-old selves right now? We are finally here together. I know how long you have waited to do this with all of us. I know how long you've waited to see Phoebe, to see Caroline, to see Charlie. And I could not be happier that it's happening at this moment. Now, what is it, November? Yeah! This is a song about a summer crush. And I write a lot about summer, and I write a lot about crushes because it's such a strong feeling, it's such a strong time. A crush to me is like magic, and when you combine that with sunshine, tans, kind of small tops, you know, not that much clothing. It's magical. And, you know, I'm kind of on this tip right now of trying to make summer last forever. I want to live inside summer all the time, right? So we can do it. We can summon summer. We can summon that crush that you had or have.
I'm married.
Maybe your crush is here right now. Maybe this is the moment where you share with them that you have a crush on them. It's a very safe environment. I love when you sing to me. You sound so fucking good. Every time I come here, I'm like, we gotta hire these kids. to some backups. How you doing? I can't tell you how happy I am to be here. I know I keep saying that, but I was thinking about it today because of it being my birthday tomorrow. Thinking about the first time I came here, I was 17 years old. I did my own hair, I think. And I thrashed around. And I realized, holy shit, these people get me. They appreciate me. It's moments like this when I am so far from where I'm from. I'm from the other side of the world, and you are singing words back to me that I wrote as a teenager. It blows me away. And it's so heartening to me because we're the freaks, you know? We're the overreactors, we're the overthinkers. We're the mood swingers. We're the ones who read into that tiny little thing someone said for 2 seconds and really blow it up and make it a big deal. That's us. And I never thought that anyone would really see that in me. Enough to make it feel okay and like I wasn't alone. But you guys, you've done that for me. It means so much to me when I write something really intimate and secret down. An ugly, private part of myself that I'm ashamed of or sad about. And you tell me, I have that part.
We love you!
10 years. That's crazy. We met 10 years ago. Come on. You really changed my life. I will never, ever, ever be able to thank you enough. I'm pretty sure you guys have been the people who listen to my music the most for about 10 years. And I remember getting Twitter. And I had Twitter for about 2 minutes. I had 500 followers, and I was like, someone wants me to come to Brazil. It's so cool. I'm so grateful for you. And I wore red because I wore red the last time I played here.
I love it.
And it was such a nice show, and it felt like a great color to wear in this passionate country. So. Australian chapter. Well, 2 big things happened in Brazil. We got a new president. And you sent a song of mine from 2013 to #1 on iTunes. Because you wanted me to play it for you here. Now I have not played this song since, I don't know, 2018.
More!
But for you, Brazil, I will do anything. But I need you to sing so fucking loud to this song with me. Can you do that? Are you getting sweaty yet? If you're not sweaty,